They go to LA. Tenorio will attack. Down the lane for overtime. LA!
Hindi pa tapos.
Sends it home! 2 seconds remaining. Durham for the win.
Wala.
And we are headed to OT. LA Tenorio, ang bayani ng Barangay Ginebra with a career best 36-point performance. Not more important than those last two.
Yeah, definitely. Talagang pupuntahan si LA. Ito naman si Karam na huli. Tapos si Durham, iniwanan. Pero takot siya kasi kay 3-point shot ni Brownlee.
Yeah.
Parang lumabas. Na-pick ni Durham. Etong si Karam.
Yep.
Nagdalawang isip siya eh.
That one almost dropped. Pero mukhang hindi naman umabot sa oras.